Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of confectionery with a spotlight on one of the best lavender candy melts available in the market right now. Wilton Lavender Candy Melts.
If you're into baking, candy making, or just love experimenting with sweet treats, you've probably heard of Wilton. They're renowned for their quality baking products, and these lavender candy melts are no exception.
Let's break down why these candy melts are a must-have. First off, the color, a beautiful lavender shade that adds a touch of elegance to any dessert.
Whether you're making cake pops, dipping strawberries, or even creating molded candies, these melts melt smoothly and evenly.
What I love about these melts is their versatility.
They're incredibly easy to use, making them perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers alike.
Just follow the package directions for melting, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk ingredients.
These candy melts are halal certified and contain milk and soy. It's important to note they're made in a facility that also processes wheat and peanuts, but don't worry. They're perfectly safe for most dietary needs.
To ensure you get the best results, avoid overheating these melts or exposing them to high humidity.
If you notice any changes in consistency, simply add a bit of vegetable shortening as recommended. Compared to other brands I've tried, Wilton stands out for its consistency and reliability. The candy maintains its shape well and doesn't lose its vibrant lavender color even after melting, which is crucial for presentation.
Now, I haven't personally used these in a professional setting, but from what I've seen and heard from fellow bakers, they're a game changer.
The feedback online has been overwhelmingly positive, praising not just the color but also the taste and ease of use. One thing to keep in mind is that these melts can be sensitive to heat, so storing them properly and following the melting instructions is key. If you run into any issues, Wilton's customer service is generally responsive and helpful.
Wrapping up, Wilton Lavender Candy Melts are a fantastic choice. For anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication and flavor to their homemade treats. With their quality, ease of use, and beautiful lavender color, they definitely get a thumbs up from me. That's all for today's review. If you've tried these melts or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on all things kitchen and beyond. Until next time, happy baking!